how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I am really excited because I have a huge snack subscription to open today. This is Variety Fun. This is honestly the best subscription for snacks that I have tried. And like, come on, look how cute this box is. And this is huge and it is full of stuff. So it says, taste, explore, enjoy. So I am super excited to try this out. But before we get unboxing and see what treats I got this month, let's talk about what Variety Fun is. So obviously, like I said, Variety Fun is a snack subscription. And a cool thing about this one is you can get it either bi-weekly, so every other week, or monthly, so you can choose. And it's perfect for this time of year because I know a lot of people watching, they have children or you work and you need to bring snacks for lunch to school or to work. So this is so great, especially like if you have a larger family. Getting it every other week is such a great option. They have so many different snacks. They work with over 500 different brands, so many different options. They also have an option that's called the Fun subscription, and then they have the healthy one. So if you're into more healthy snacks, you can choose the healthy option, and the Fun box is more traditional snacks. So snack boxes start at $24.99, or you can get your first box for $19.99 if you use code FUN20. So that will save you 20% off all of subscription plans. So I will leave the link and that code down below if you're interested. So like I said, these snack boxes are great for packing lunches. They can be used for game nights, road trips, parties, when you go to your kids' events and games. I remember when I was little, my family would have to take turns bringing treats for all the kids. This is a good option for that. And every month you'll get different snacks, so there's always a variety, so you never like get bored of the same old snack. So just to tell you all of the options, I pulled up some pricing information. So let's start with the Fun snack box. So this includes classic snacks such as Cheetos, Oreos, M&Ms, cookies, Lay's, Doritos, Skittles, all those brands you've probably heard of before. And to get 40 snacks per box is $24.99, which comes out to be about 62 cents per snack. And then the healthy box is called the Fit snack box. And this includes healthy premium snacks such as Kind bars, Terra chips, Cliff bars, Crave jerky, Hit peas, and more. And for 30 snacks, it's $39.99. So it's a little bit more expensive, and that comes out to be about $1.33 per snack. So hopefully I gave you enough of a background and pricing information for the box. If you want to learn anything more, again, you can click that link down in the description box to go to their website. But let's get started and see what snacks I got, because I gotta admit, I am hungry and I could go for a snack right now. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. It is seriously jam-packed, like all the way full with snacks. And they're like packed perfectly, like all the way up. That is so awesome. And there is just a note here that is for me. It says, hey kitty, with all of the unboxings you do, I'm sure your fur babies provide a ton of entertainment with the leftover boxes. That's so funny they just said that because my cats are in this room playing in a box right in front of me. So yeah, it says you should share your favorite story in your next video. We hope you enjoy your first box as a Variety Fun partner. So awesome. So I am a Variety Fun partner, so this was sent to me free for review, just so you guys know. The code that I'm leaving down below doesn't give me anything, that's just to help you guys out. So let's get to the snacks. There are so many in here, and I can just like feel my stomach starting to growl, oh my gosh. So let's start with the first thing I see. This is Jackpot Sea Salt Popcorn. This is by Prince in Spring, and this has 90 calories per bag. So, as a lot of you know, I am trying to eat a little bit healthier, and I like to know the calorie content, so that is cool, and popcorn's always good. Oh my god, yum. I love Sun Chips. This is my favorite kind of Sun Chip. This is the Sun Chips 100% whole grain harvest cheddar. So good. Oh my gosh. Ooh, Cracker Jacks. And there's a prize inside. I've always wanted to, like, I haven't had these in so long. I would love to know what prize came inside these. Those are always so fun, especially when you're a kid. And then there's an RX bar. I love these. So this is a protein bar, and it's peanut butter, chocolate, and you get 12 grams of protein per bar. And it tells you exactly what it's made from on the front. It says 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, and no BS. RX bar is actually based out of Chicago, where I'm from, so I think that's super cool. They're featured in here. The next thing, this is a brand I've never heard of. This is by Takis Fuego Hot Chili Pepper and Lime Tortilla Chips. I like spicy, and this says this is extreme spicy, so I will definitely be eating these. Yum. We've got some Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Nice. I remember in school people would always get this and then like nacho cheese and dip them in. But I was like such a baby with spicy stuff back in the day, and now I love it. So I never actually tried that before. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite kinds. The Pop Chip Ridges Bold and Crunchy Tangy Barbecue Chips. I've tried these before, and this is like the best flavor. I love it so much. Yum. And then we have Doritos Cool Ranch. And look, there's like a little space where you can write a note to your kid when they go to lunch, or to whoever, your significant other, yourself, whatever. Then we've got some Smart Food Popcorn, White Cheddar Cheese. Yum. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they make them in different colors. This is Goldfish Baked Snack Crackers, and it's in colors. Yum. Oh, and now we have a smaller pack of the Flamin' Hot. Here, the other one's just right on top, so you can kind of see the difference in size. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This is my favorite kind of chip. Miss Vicky's jalapeno flavored chips. I love jalapeno anything, but jalapeno chips are my favorite. Yeah, the air just kicked out. Feels so good. Sorry if you can hear it, but it is so hot. I need that. Ooh, these look so good. I haven't had these since I was a kid. This is Knott's Berry Farm Premium Cookies Raspberry Shortbread. Oh my god, yum. So good. And we still got a lot to go. This is so fun. I love doing food unboxings. Ruffles Original. These are good. And this again has like a little note there. That's so cute. Oh, what are you doing, Fiona? Here's Lay's Barbecue, another one that has the little note. It must be that whole brand. Are they all Lay's? I think so. Ooh, I got these in one of my pass boxes and I love it. This is a Cheez-It white cheddar. I think these are even better than the original. I still like the original, but these are so good. Oh, I've never had these. Yum. Rice Krispie Treats Snap Crackle Poppers. Chocolatey, so it's like Rice Krispie Treats covered in chocolate. And this pouch, this is like a good size like dessert. Like I'm one of those people after I eat like dinner or I like to have something a little chocolatey or dessert, and this is perfect just because it's like one pouch, one serving size, 130 calories. Yes. We've got some Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. Abby's Cookies, wholesome, delicious chocolate chip. Another thing that could be my dessert. I have to try not to make all of them my dessert tonight. Ooh, yum, I love these too. Another childhood memory, Ritz Bits cheese. I feel like so many things have changed since they were kids, but a lot of the snacks are still around. Traditional Chex Mix, can't go wrong with this. Yum. What's your favorite piece of the Chex Mix? I always like the brown pieces, whatever they are, they're so good. Remy's Grams Wholesome Delicious Cinnamon. Yum, so it's like cinnamon cracker, like graham crackers. So good. Let's see, 2 bags of the Welch's Fruit Snacks. I love fruit snacks, like I'm like a little child. I love these, they're so good. They're always one of the first snacks I eat. Yum, Newton's, Fig Newtons. I don't know why for a second I like blinked on the name. I was just reading Newtons. I love Fig Newtons too. Yum. There's still a decent amount left. This box comes with so much. We've got the Grandma's Chocolate Brownie. Oh my gosh, yes. I am so set with snacks for a while. Yes. The Chewy Chocolate Chip Granola Bar. Another childhood memory. Ooh, another Grandma's. I love the Grandma's cookies. This is Grandma's Peanut Butter Cookies. Oh, I love peanut butter. We have, oh my god, we have like every kind of Grandma's cookie. Here's 2 more. We have the oatmeal raisin and chocolate chip. I love Grandma's. Yum. Sweet. Yeah, there's 4 different kinds of Grandma's. That's awesome. The chocolate brownie, chocolate chip, peanut butter, and oatmeal raisin. Yes. Oh my god, I haven't had one of these in so long. The Ritz crackers, like crackers and cheesy dip. I forgot about these. Oh my god, that's great. Oh my favorite kind of Pringle, sour cream and onion. I love how it's just like an individual pack. That's awesome. A fruit roll-up, but it's sour. I tried one of the fruit roll-ups last time I got this in a box. I haven't tried the sour one ever though before, but it was like such a throwback. Right, the sweet and salty mix. This is an American Trail Mix. Yum, I always love trail mix. But I feel like I'm always like picking out the chocolate pieces. This looks good. Nature's Bakery Fig Bar Peach Apricot. You guys should see the pile of snacks that are in front of me right now. We've got another chewy bar, chewy granola bar and dark chocolate chunk. Okay, and last 4 things in here. We've got Captain's Wafers grilled cheese. So these are sandwich crackers made with real cheese. I've always been a fan of these. And then there's a different brand, but these are like sandwich cookies with peanut butter. So the Neat Cut sandwich cookies, real peanut butter. Yum. Love these too. Oh, I lied. There's actually a few more things. So there's 3 more things. I thought there was only 2 left. Oh my god, yes. I love these. Milano Dark Chocolate. Yes. Chips Ahoy Original. Looks like a 4-pack of cookies. Yes. And the last thing, Lucky Charms Soft Baked Treats Marshmallow Blondie. This looks so good. I haven't had Lucky Charms in so long. So that was everything. That is so many snacks. I'm guessing there's like 40 snacks. It's so many. This is so great. Like seriously, if you get this, you're like ready for school lunches for a while, and you will be like winning for like cool parent, like for sure. Kids love snacks. I mean, I love snacks too, and I don't have kids, so these are all going to me and my friends. I'm like thinking like, I think my friend's coming over later. I'm like, when am I gonna hoard for myself so they can't take it? But yeah, this was so good, you guys. This is seriously the best snack subscription. I think it's so affordable. They range from like 66 cents to like $1.33 per snack. That is way cheaper than when you go to the store and get just like a 6-pack of one of these things. Like, so super awesome, super fun. I can see this being like such a fun activity with your family to open. I mean, clearly I love unboxing things, but I feel like if I had like kids and stuff, that would be like, I'd like to incorporate them with some of my unboxing, you know, it'd be like a fun little family activity. But anyways, yeah, I love this subscription. I am so gonna eat something right when I get off camera, but I will leave a link along with that promo code to save 20% off any of their subscription options. Let me know any of these like snacks like bring back childhood memories to you too. I'd love to hear from you. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!